This channel and I do not claim any right over any of the graphics, images, songs used in this video. All rights reserved to the respective copyright owners.
Decisions. Thus, the center will have a board. The board of InSpace will have a representation from industry, academia, and government of India. InSpace will act as a national nodal agency for handholding and promoting private sector in space endeavors, and for this ISRO will share its technical expertise as well as facilities. InSpace will also permit private companies to build facilities within Department of Space premises as per the need and feasibility. Private companies can directly apply to InSpace. InSpace will in space endeavors, and for this ISRO will share its technical expertise as well as facilities. InSpace will also permit private companies to build facilities within Department of Space premises as per the need and feasibility. Private companies can directly apply to InSpace. InSpace will independently evaluate and process the application. Once InSpace gives its decision, it will be binding on all stakeholders, either private people or the ISRO. The InSpace mechanism may take about 3 to 6 months to become operational. However, private companies need not wait for the system to be formalized. They can start applying through Department of Space in the interim. We will process the requirements and do the needful even now itself. In fact, already private companies approached us for the use of ISRO's facilities, and we are processing the request very fast track mode. There is also requirement for the policies. Definitely, to make this system to functional effectively, definitely we need policies to be built, and we need a new navigation policy. At the same time, we are having SATCOM policy, remote sensing policy existing, but they need suitable modifications on that SATCOM policy and remote sensing policy for the purpose of InSpace to perform its duty in an effective manner.